Hello guys, welcome back. And now I want to show you how to remove this red mark from the image. So this project is one of the freelancing project from the freelancer website. And now I want to show you how to do this. First, set your image to center and go to select polygonal lasso. Hold Alt key on keyboard and zoom in. So we start from here. One click, second, and continue like this to select the white mark. And close. Go to layer and go to new layer copy. The shortcut is Ctrl+J. It's very important. You must remember the shortcuts to work faster. And next, select again the background layer and zoom in. Select the circle, this white circle. One click and continue like this. Backspace, backspace. So backspace again. I think this is the end point of the circle mark, and hold Ctrl+J on keyboard to make another copy. And now select the background, zoom out, select a clone stamp, press close bracket button on keyboard and hold Alt key. Change the size, click continue like this to remove the marks. Hold Alt key and continue. Hold Alt key. Finish. And now hold Ctrl on keyboard, click. So after clicking, select the brush tool and hold Alt, paint, select that layer, select and paint the white color like this. Hold Ctrl, select another and select the layer and create the white color on this. Press Ctrl+D to deselect, and now you can see the image without the red mark. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about how to remove the red mark from the image.